Your lips tango the blue shape of the kiss. Your arms crystallize all the noise of the world in my chest. Love has no parallel, your eyes also. My life is made entirely by you, open and ready like a blank page. You touch my heart when you are whispering to yourself and my inner emotions. You pull out dizziness in my dream when the moon hid his face behind your sophisticated nature. I have no greater fantasy than confine my presence in your presence. Your excitement is my favorite side of the sun. My name gets so intense in your voice. Seal my ears for the worth of your words. Without no fear for my destiny, I surrender my faith in your belief. Your hands connect me with the missing echo of my soul. Your body's rhythm defines the fine lines of my body. Like a river, collecting in slow motion the clear reflection of the sky. Your absence empties my right to be escorted to my room. I can't flirt with my silence anymore. I don't wanna sing if you're not the song. I don't wanna dance if you're not the beat. I don't want any other way of feeling good if your way of feeling good is not included. Take me to your tongue, where guns change to flowers. Take me to my shade, when your charm turns to be the absolute remedy to free my everlasting bliss. Your enjoyment is a grace above all captured reality. Your beauty flavored my senses. I am no longer a taste for wrongness. Sometimes I am hallucinating between sensual, essential, two words grooving in one vibe for the purpose of being in love. Help me carry your flame without getting burned. Help me manage my thoughts without losing them. Your breath brushes my skin so soft and deep till I realize there is no greater wine than the early morning kiss from you, my beloved.